Nigongo na riretereirwo ni aingĩ makienda kumenya no gatuithania arĩa macaguritwo kuonania taranda ciao. Maihuritwo nĩ gĩkeno jaji nĩ monanirie kwĩharĩria kwao harĩ wĩra ũrĩa wĩ mbere yao wa gũtuithania ahotani macindano-inĩ ma kuonania taranda. Makiuga taranda iria cigĩtaro kĩa Afrika irathĩro nĩ cia magegania.
If this is what season 1 is providing, is showcasing, the talent out there, I'm telling you, is unbelievable. It's a bottomless pit. So folks will be watching this for the very first time across East Africa and they'll be saying, hey, I can do that. Or I know so-and-so who can do that. Or why don't we get a group together and let's go to season 2.
I've seen a lot of interesting talent. In fact, more talent than I thought I would. I was prepared for a certain type of talent because I feel like there's a certain idea of what talent is in our region. But I saw all sorts of different kinds of skill and I was like, where did these kids learn this stuff? Really, really amazing.
Monanio maya marongoreirie gutambura na gutuga taranda iria ci mabũrũri ma Kenya, Uganda, Tanzania na Rwanda. Taranda cia ũini, kwĩgarĩka o hamwe na mĩthako ya ngerekano nĩ imwe cia iria igũkorwo ikionanio.
The entire production was very professional. All of the equipment was top of the line and the whole team sort of worked in a really, there was a lot of synergy when we started production.
This is a very exciting show, right? I love watching anything exciting. And by the way, Got Talent, as you may know, is one of the most popular viral content, whether it's digital or on TV. So we have no doubt that it's going to have the same effect on this region.
Mashindano maya makambĩrĩria kuonanio mweri wa kanana mwaka ũyũ ceceni-inĩ ya Citizen TV. Mũhotani akainũkia kĩmanjĩka gĩa ciringi milioni 5. Ngĩribotera Inooro TV, njĩtagwo Bio wa Wambui.